Welcome to As E Dey Hot, the Ogbonge politic discussion show on top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Una know say every weekday, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, between 10 and 11, we dey carry topic where they comot smoke as it take affect you and me inside this our obodo Nigeria. Wetin dey reign now na election fever based on the political temperature of we obodo Naija, and e get one particular gist when they go round town. I go break am down make una understand. Our Oga Presido don come out. Every time when he get the chance, he go talk am as a gentleman when he be. Say he no get any plan to comot the chairman of INEC, Professor Atahiru Jega, from the chair when he sit down. But some other people, they look at from one angle, they say, hey, this man, he be like say he want to do one kind of abracadabra, say make everybody shine their eye, wear recommended glass to avoid stories that touch the heart. Now, what we want to discuss on top of this show today, and I say, wait first. Anybody get any agreement with Jega? If Jega go, if Jega stay, who go benefit or who go lose? Why he be say talk, they come out say they won't come out Jega or they don't want come out Jega? Because in every rumor, some kind true, they follow him inside though. My name na Ezogo Chukwode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as it concern the matter as E Dey Hot.
Good morning, our viewers, and welcome to another edition of As E Dey Hot. My name is Nkubi, and as usual, Chukwudi don't launch us. Now for us to just waiting to fire on and talk about this issue because now another very sensitive issue. We know Jega as somebody we say one. Nigeria for some time now, in the last 15 years old, don't they? Now he be the only person we Nigeria don't see as person we don't give us credible election. That is 4 years ago. So the rumors say they won't come out. How true is it? And even if they won't come out, what will be the condition when I take come out? Say that say you not doing your own work well. I mean, I say maybe they try, or maybe the ruling party they see as say ingo do it in no go to give them the kind of support we them need to remain in power. So there are a couple of things we also need to ask ourselves. So now what we go look into to also know where this matter they come from.
You where you there for us, we join on top of our discussion. We there on top of Facebook. Go to Wazobia fan page. Like them. Anywhere where you see our thread, chook mouth on top of the matter. We there on top of Twitter too. At TV as E Dey Hot. And as the only television station where we keep goats to take use make pepper soup for you. We knock una with 3 telephone lines. So no excuse to talk say our number busy. We can't summer una with toll free line. Wait till be toll free line. Hey, you go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go they pay. Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
I know say na my name. No,
how many times I call you?
Don't call me. Now me call you first. Not they call me after I call you.
I'm not going to respond to your call.
I won't ask you now. Make you tell Nigerians the truth. You understand? Because if I talk, say, I want to talk something now based on, say, we want to avoid argumentum ad ignorantiam. You go talk, say, I dey show myself. Nkubi, tell Nigerians the truth. Wetin be una concern for this matter? When we say, now una dey first see one thing before una talk am. You understand? Now una dey first know the mess when they smell before the sound even come out. Shey na say una get the talent of smelling mess or una get the talent of seeing bad thing first before una talk am. You be doctor when you know say person wey come hospital, he get typhoid, he get headache or he get malaria. Tell the full Nigeria make dem know.
Of course, now we get the smelling gift because
una dey live near toilet. Because una dey live near toilet.
Because part of the smelling gift now, when they come out, when people go on the rumor, say, look, they want shift election, they want shift election. It can't sound like rumor, they sound like rumor. And what happen eventually? They don't shift the election. On what ground? On ground where we don't know whether it is justifiable or not. So now that same rumor, now that same trend, whether shifting of election take happen. Now that's the same trend we dey perceive here now. We dey perceive them. Don't they smell them? Understand? I don't go dey surprised, Nigerians. If by tomorrow they say they don't come out Jega, Or make the time say, Jega don't resign, saying he voluntarily resign. Well, I don't go accept them at all. I don't go agree. Because in the end, make also tell us, this is somebody doing Nigerians at large, don't talk, say, look, oh, you don't give us something where they credible at least. Continue your good work. So waiting be our own problem.
Thank you very much. Now, you don't put yourself for tight corner.
Now you put yourself for
tight corner. No, you dey tight corner. By the time when I descend on you, you go know.
I go descend on you.
Nkubi. Now, Oga President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan don't do well for this country. Everybody know. 125 Almajiri schools.
When you wait,
excuse me, I have the floor.
Hold on, see.
I will not hold on.
Hold on.
I will not hold on.
When if they talk, say,
hold on.
When if they talk, say, look, Oga President don't do well for this, everybody know. Who and who?
Thank you very
much.
Who and who? Thank you very much.
See. If they just ask me, say, how well, then I'll feel reply. No, they text everybody, no. They involve me.
I know if you ask you say how well. You know why? Because you are blinded by sentiment and bias.
You are also blinded by the fact that, look, now no one come out in power.
You say, wait.
Now one sit down there, glue ourselves there.
2011, when Nigerians come out en masse to vote for the man when go transform the destiny of this country. After the election come out, thank God say you dey here talk amo, say international observers even come and talk say the election dey free and fair. Now one of the freest.
But that one no mean say we not see issues of electoral malpractices in some states.
Now why we not come begin to buy NYSC coppers? 10 Nigerians.
Good, you see, this NYSC.
No, 10 Nigerians.
Free me from this. No,
free you from what?
Free me from NYSC.
It is hanging on your neck.
It is hanging on your neck.
It is on your neck.
It is hanging on your neck.
I can see it.
With this your own big eye.
I can see it.
It is hanging on your own neck.
Your eye big past my own. Everybody know that one. See, so you have to stop all this argumentum ad hominem when you come here, they do. Because you are attacking my personality.
You are also attacking my personality. What are you saying?
Maybe you attack my eye.
Why do you tell me say this? They attack your personality. You don't hear they tackle me since. Every time we come here, constant with the start program. The first thing you just look one can buy that, looking bad. Control that course as if me and you the first say, Chiku, I know that kind of people. What do you think about this? You don't come out genuinely, you can ask me something. You can't ask me as if me and you don't get beef. See, it don't do you.
Nkubi.
Yes.
This thing when you talk now just make me know who you be. You get bad mind. Oh, so because I ask you question, you say they carry bad eye, they look you.
Genuinely, or if they come out with the intention say you don't picture the kind of person who I be. And because I don't picture them for your head, that's why they carry that sentiment. They take launch attack. Even if not, they indirect to me.
Make I ask you one question. Oga President come and talk, say, he believe in the principle of one man, one vote. And he go ensure, say, the vote of Nigerians count. Before these general elections, when they come on the 28th of March, so, when Oga President, the uncommon transformer, the changer of Nigerian destiny, the man that has brought fresh air into this country, when he talks, say, May 29, they sacrosanct. So definitely March 28th, we stand.
So now, what you're not saying is, it gives you people room to decide the kind of strategy when I go fine tune. So you go for
which strategy?
If you May 29, they sacrosanct as you talk. Fine. Now what they look at, okay, within this space, within this period of time, they can figure them out well, know what to do so that in the end everything will favor us.
That's a fallacious.
I won't be surprised.
That's a fallacious statement.
I won't be surprised.
That's a fallacious statement.
What is a fallacious statement?
Why May 29 they sacrosanct now? Because even for long,
I saw a headline.
30 days before handover.
Where Oga Jonah come and talk say he no feel lose this election. He be God.
You say waiting.
He be the voice of Nigerians.
You say waiting.
Yes.
How you go to say he no feel lose election? Say he be God. The people went to say they go form parallel government. They be God. No, answer they be God. You don't feel talk now. You say you read newspaper headline. Person just put headline. You know the way Oga President take talk. Maybe they ask him, say, sir, what do you think about the election? He come do high like this. As the gentleman when he be say, I believe I will not lose the election. These people can't carry, they come out, I believe, carry, I will not lose. Put for newspaper.
Anybody with the election in favor eventually say that the winner be that.
He never talk Oga President talk say if he lose the election, he go to, okay? He no talk
Okay, you know what? Thank God say you don't admit to that. Tony, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Tony.
Good morning, Kobe. Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Tony.
How na dey this morning now?
We dey fine.
I just say ma chook small mouth for this matter.
I bet chook mouth for the matter, Oga Tony.
PDP or good luck no dey fear Jega, whether he stay or he go.
Thank you.
No forget say good luck no Jega before he appoint INEC chairman.
Thank you.
The best president whoever appoints INEC chairman wey you no know. So more know wetin we dey do. Nkubi. May your people go Dubai, go they do meeting with them. We no care.
Oh.
Whether Jega stay or he no stay, we must win this election.
By the grace of
So
God.
they try make sure say now by force by fire I want take win now.
By the grace
No
of
be
God.
by force, by fire.
By the grace
You
of God.
talk through now. You talk through now. You know now. You
I don't know anything. What I know na change. The voice of change. When Nigeria they demand for.
As they talk through like this, God will bless you.
Tell him. Thank you very much, oh. Amen.
Good day. God bless now.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I
Tony.
continue to dey watch as e dey hot. Make una dey call us. You don't hear them. You don't hear wetin Nigerians dey talk.
Who be Nigeria?
Everybody dey talk am.
Tony na one single
He
individual.
is representing the interest of Abuja people. He is representing the interest of Abuja people.
Don't worry. Now for your own eyes, it will happen now. Amara, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Amara.
Good morning,
Yes.
Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning,
morning.
Amara.
I dey enjoy on our program.
Thank you
Yes.
very much.
Wetin I dey talk be say, make them leave Jonathan alone. The man dey
Oh,
try. He dey try.
Thank you.
Wetin could be dey talk? How many of them don rule for over how many years?
Thank
How
you.
many Alamajiri school they don build?
thank you.
Now
No be
wetin
them
man dey
still dey
try, make
power.
them let
Excuse
am.
me.
Make them let the man wetin he wan do.
Thank you very much. Abeg continue
Thank
to dey
you.
watch as e dey hot. Dey tell your people make dem dey watch am, make dem dey call us.
Thank you, madam.
Two people
Madam
don call
Amara.
o. Abuja, Lagos. Abuja, Lagos. Abuja, Lagos.
Hold
Abuja,
on
Lagos.
now.
Abuja,
The calls
Lagos.
are still trooping in.
Abuja,
The calls
Lagos.
are still coming in, young
Talk
man.
talk for the matter.
calls are still coming
Oga
in.
President
Hold
talk
on.
say I no dey comot this man, but na una still dey shout. Yesterday we get one gist. The national publicity secretary of the APC come and talk say he get one plan. He get one plan wey dem don uncover. Say dem wan pay big money enter into Professor Atahiru Jega account. How you go think that kind of thing if you no dey your mind?
He say,
Make I give you this example. Your wife just come meet you say, Uncle B, I dey see the way your eye dey go left and right, dey go left and right. E be like say you dey eye our landlord pikin. Even before you think am, she don look say maybe because your eye dey go left and right. So because your landlord pikin dey pass, you go close eye. You talk that
Chiko,
thing.
they will never see signs.
Which signs you don see?
Oga Fanika, Femi Fanika never come and accuse Jega. Say, be like say, he don dey do somehow.
Accusation. Thank you.
On what ground?
If person accuse you,
we
you
no need
defend
to come out,
yourself.
come talk and finish. If something will happen, if there are, these are lawmakers stating that look, there are indications or there are plans. Say the fit go come on Jaga. That's why they come out.
Dem fit go.
See, there is an element of truth in everything, young man. Ogobiora, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ogobiora.
Chukwudi, good morning. How una dey?
We dey fine.
If you wetin I wan talk for this issue, huh? I don't know why APC dey run before something dey pursue them. You see, 2010, the same good luck tell Professor Prince to go on terminal leave. And nobody protest. Nobody shout. Now, Jega is about to take the same step. And because the opposition announced the thing, and they'll start crying when they beat them. So if there is any reason that the agenda between Jega and the APC, you tell us now so that we will know. If not, why can't you continue your campaign and believe that you will win? And again, remember the other day, are you hearing me?
I dey hear you, Ogobiora.
Remember the other day, Buhari said that what is annoying is that you will inherit a very big amount of credit when you assume office. So he even thinking that he have already won the election.
Thank you.
So Goodluck saying that he will not lose is the same word of encouragement and word of hope. So it's not a mistake.
Thank you.
So what I'm saying is that Jega, if Maurice you will go, Jega is always is supposed to go as Maurice you will go. So people should not complain.
Thank you.
That is it.
Thank you. Ogobiora, thank you very much. 3-0. It's clear. It's clear.
Ogobiora, may I also raise this thing?
Raise up.
If Jega talks, okay, if in this thing in leave don't do, but he still won't work, he still won't finish up this mission where he don't start. Say, now go tell and say, make you not finish am.
Oga President won't continue in transformation. Oh yeah, make we allow him continue. Why we won't do election? Oh,
why don't we do election?
Make we say God win from Lagos. God win from Lagos.
Why don't we do election?
Oga Godwin, good morning.
Oga Godwin, good morning.
Oga Godwin.
Godwin.
I don't win this thing already. Now, he make him. We don't have them 4-0.
Let him win.
No, you answer that question. Oga Jonah talk say they do transformation. Say he never complete the transformation. Make people allow. You say
why is for constitution to make person they continue with in government without
Thank you very much. Which time they appoint Atahiru Jega? They appoint them. I know they even they talk say him go come out.
Okay.
They appoint Atahiru Jega for 2010. Before they appoint Atahiru Jega, somebody did there, Professor Maurice Iwu. Professor Maurice Iwu tenure expire. They tell am say make him they go in go. Professor Atahiru Jega come enter. You come they tell me now say if you want continue,
you will not finish the mission.
Thank you very much.
Fine. Allow him finish it, get his job done.
Thank you very much.
Allow him get his job done. He has started well. Let him finish his job.
You know when Professor.
Let him finish his job.
I hope say you know
if
say Professor Atahiru Jega tenure on the 30th of June.
During
on the 30th of June.
He has to finish his thing.
And he has to go 2 months
Wisdom, I
before.
beg, use your wisdom. Take charge this matter. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Wisdom.
Mr. Nkwobi.
Yes.
I want to talk to you.
Tell him.
Me.
Hello.
Are they here?
It be like saying that you are afraid of this election.
Thank you.
Yesterday you were saying about the police strike.
That they should go on strike.
They must pay them before they do the election.
And they should go on strike on election day.
If you believe that you win the election, why do you tell them to stop striking? When you enter, you pay them.
Thank you.
When you enter, you pay them.
Get the problem solved. So you know what will affect the eventual election matter.
Excuse me, allow wisdom
Why are you
using
disturbing
wisdom
this man? He's the only person who have already go for 8 years. Allow him to finish his job.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Oga Wisdom.
Unkubi, you don't enter trouble today.
Now you enter trouble.
Lagos.
Now you enter trouble.
Abuja.
Now you enter trouble.
Yola.
That will not stop me
Akure.
from not still talking.
Everybody
they
they talk.
they go. I go they talk. That same talk where they talk. That same talk of change. Now I will still insist on your man.
And he go put you for trouble.
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 They don't promise to say very soon they will give you titleship.
Now you they talk, oh. Make we take Dozier from Kebbi. Oga Dozier, good morning.
My brother, good morning.
Good
Oga
morning.
Dozier, good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, sir. I beg Chukma for this matter.
Please, I want to ask Nkubi one question.
Thank you.
Brother Nkubi, good
I
morning.
dey hear you, Oga Dozier.
This argument, this thing where you they talk, is it from your heart or na TV show?
Tell the truth.
See, forget TV show. See, I'm a man of change.
Yes.
I'm a man of change, and that's change I dey seek for. And now that change we want.
My brother, do you know what I want to tell you?
Tell me.
What I want to tell you now is that look at what Chukwudi is telling you.
Thank
He's
you.
telling you that this is just take it for instance is that Nigeria have been having an election in Anambra, Ekiti State. They no use this card reader to try to know how this card reader will be. The next thing now is that they are saying they should use card reader so that APC will see line to do one thing or the other. But this thing we shouldn't be going it in that way. If we can use that, before you know it now they say card reader that are supposed to use in KB, they have taken it to Point State.
Oh.
And the election is one day.
Oh.
You could have tried it somewhere else and see what will happen. If this argument come, I like what you people are doing. They're very clean and
Thank
pure.
you very much.
Because we will learn many things from what you're saying, but don't argue on what's supposed not to be argued.
Tell him.
Thank you,
These
Oga
people are
Dozier.
saying it. They are not saying it for the party. They are saying it for Nigeria. Are you saying that if Goodluck is not in that post, that no Nigerian will say such a thing?
Tell him.
So
Thank
please,
you.
my brother, whenever this argument comes, sometimes support Chukwudi. He's telling you the truth.
Thank
Support
you.
him, please.
Okay, I don't hear you, Oga Dozier. Thank you very much.
Now the first time when you hear person for this show be that. Dozier, God bless you. Thank you for just they call us every day.
Is it sometimes because they support you?
No, Uncle.
But at least once in a while they support your thought. You're okay. Yes, you might be right. You might be right.
Unkubi,
Wait.
no, Unkubi.
You don't ever for once support my own argument.
No, Unkubi, look this.
You don't ever for once support my own argument.
No, because somehow you know they.
No, they tell me say somehow. What is that?
No, you somehow you go be like, hey, you don't talk the truth.
Me?
Complete. You don't talk.
Okay, finally we don't get Kemi. This one and that lady. I know say she go judge this thing well. Kemi, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga Kemi.
It's not Kemi. It's
Femi rather. Femi.
Femi, yeah. Thank you
Yes.
very much.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kobi.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Femi.
Oga Chukudi,
Sir.
because you dey see people wey dey support you, How many people will they support you now?
Now 12 people don't call now. Talk say say nothing do.
Hold on.
12 people.
Again,
12.
Somehow.
Now see the do.
You see, now so they take election, Oga Femi. 12 from my own here, pa.
Make I make my contribution.
Thank you.
Oga Nkubi. Well done, you are well done.
Thank you.
Don't mind people where they call we say if the thing I want to talk they say the name of people we called. You go here Chikwezi something like this. Just leave them. This one not the tribalism politics.
Yes.
Let me tell you something. People where they call from north, where they say they not, where they say they the other something. Don't worry. Make I tell you something. We need change.
Yes.
I think you understand. We need change. 15 years ago, let's try another party.
Let us try another party.
Let me tell you something. I voted for Good Luck in 2011. I voted for Yaradua in 2007.
Okay.
I voted for General Obasanjo in 1999. I voted for him in 2003. But now I can't vote for PDP again.
Why?
Let me tell you.
Why should you ask me why?
Let me tell you the truth about Femi Fani-Kayode. Let me tell you something about Femi Fani-Kayode. It's a betrayer. The man is a betrayer, complete betrayer. Let me tell you something. If you hear, if you are watching something, you will hear.
Oga Femi,
blast we don't lose them.
You see, make I address what Oga Femi talk.
Okay, address.
Oga Femi they talk say make we try another party. I want to say it here. Nigerians, listen to me. Authoritatively, say, before we go out, go vote for anybody, make we check the person we want to vote for. It's not about the party. No, make I land.
Parties, they get their own philosophy, their own policies, their own rules and regulations, their own mapped out plan, where we say, once we don't look and check and say, okay, these are things that will be favorable to the nation. Not be you go vote for, not be the individual young man.
Thank you very much. Now,
but your party does not have it. Does not have it. For 15 years, we've been bashing on first, what do we not even know about?
The governors will come up for PDP. People will be saying they did it when PDP starts. They don't rule.
They are going into a party that has an establishment already.
Thank you very much. So
they will work based on that thing when they don't establish there.
You think saying that the party when they enter inside, now it make their supporters follow them. It is because of their personality. That's why I'm telling you that it is not about the party. It is about the person's personality. And Oga Presido, Good Luck Jonathan, he's a gentleman. He's hardworking. He's peaceful. He's loving. He doesn't like violence. He never ever slapped anybody for a life.
Then he should ensure that this election goes free and fair.
Thank you.
Because if it does eventually, you know what will happen.
We never see free election for Edo, for Ondo, for Anambra, for Ekiti, for Osun. True or false? APC won in 3 of these states.
Some are false, when you know.
What about the states that APC won?
And some are false, now I tell you.
Larry, they call us from Abuja.
Larry, good morning.
Larry, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chikuzi.
Good morning, Oga Larry.
How are you this morning?
Fine.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah.
I want to come out for the matter.
I better contribute.
Nkubi, no mind Chikudi there. Maybe they don't promise and watch if that's it title.
No, it's not about promise. It's about the future of Nigeria. It's about moving forward. It's about justice.
Wait, now let Larry talk now.
Make I put mouth for the matter.
Yes.
Forget those people where they call. Like the last caller we talk. Say, don't be tribalism with this. You understand? We need change. The PVC now, so big that they talk to they don't want to use them, and the PVC they don't want to use them again. Why they don't want to use them? If they don't use that PCB, do you know how many trillions of naira would have gone down the drain? We need to use it because if we don't use that, that's a waste of money. So why then they fear? Why PDP they fear to say they don't want to use PVC?
Ogalari, that's a fallacious statement.
No, it's not.
So say they fear.
Ogalari, right on.
Not fear, they fear.
No, you can't say that. You can't say that.
Ogalari, right on that we hear you.
Una spend money for PVC. Una don't put trillions of naira.
No, don't say
PVC.
una. When you say una, you dey make am look like somehow.
Now una talk say
for the country.
Who dey for government?
No, for the nation.
Who approve it? Who dey approve?
When be president of everybody, irrespective of your party.
But they do such way for them.
Rain and sun when they shine on some people.
They do such things way for them or not?
Wait, Chukwudi, I must land.
Land. I'm waiting for you. Me, I be airport. Land.
When una dey approve the contract of this PVC, una no know so una no go use am. Why una waste our money?
When Atayi Ujega come talk say see plan.
That na number one. Number two, the rumor say Jega won't go on terminal leave. Time don dey reach. This and that and that. All na stereotypes. You understand? That stereotype plan to remove am.
Chicken
and to tell you say before time go reach that 28, they go remove am. Either e comot voluntarily or they remove am by force.
Why you dey make this assertion? Why are you so sure?
I'm
not talk now before now.
We already know all these things.
You already know. Why you dey talk am say you already know?
Thank you very much. You've made your point. Thank you very much.
Oga Larry, thank you. I know say you still dey watch.
See, it is not an assertion.
Make I address wetin you don raise.
It's not an assertion.
How can you be so sure?
The same way the House of Grant don't come out. They address on this matter. There are indications, there are rumors going on that this man, the figure come out. What is not the same way when we hear say they want shift election, they want shift election. What they don't want shift election. Eventually they want shift the election.
What will be the reasons when them be they speculate that time say they want shift election?
In the 11th hour. The 11th hour.
Now, him they talk about PVCs and card readers. Make we ask. Jega don't put dates down for over 1 year. Say now February 14th, now be election. Everybody don't know. Say now February 14th. Everything when he asks for, government give him. He don't receive him.
Okay, hold on. Blast say your body don't fire now, but I no go let am land because if I let am land, me I go enter am. Make we quickly go for this break. Will they come? Because Chukwudi need water to cool off this temperature. We don't eczema on the head already.
That's a fallacious statement.
Will they come?
It's a fallacious statement.
Will they come?
Even me, like, it be water corporation.
Water corporation.
Water fountain.
Where now?
I don't need Sir. Oh yeah now. Welcome back to E DEY HOT, the Ogbonge politics discussion show on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezuguchuku de Anunku be there inside studio, and I know wetin with the lick mouth on top. Whether Oga Jega, he go or he go stay. Who be the people wey want make it go? Who be the people wey want make it stay? Una remember say that they talk say chicken no dey cry for night. If he cry for early morning, but anything wey make am cry for night, now be say things don dey happen as he don see wetin pass am. We get August visitor inside our studio in the month of March. And a person when we say, if he come, you know, go just allow him go like that. You go grab him, and we get the opportunity, say, in show face, and we don't grab him. Himself go chook mouth for inside the discussion today. Who are they talk about? In Honorable E DEY Taiwo. Now, what people they call?
E DEY Jimo.
Honorable E DEY Jimo. You know, say the way the name take come. I don't give him one name. Based on say I don't see the kind of person when he be and a strong man. Honorable E DEY Jimo, sorry. In a former chairman of Yaba local government area, you mean saying the grassroots politician, he sabi the people as they wear the shoe and wear the thing they paint them, and he himself don't represent himself well for inside Lagos as per administration, and now he won't go represent the people of Lagos mainland for the center. That na say he go the chook mouth for matter when concern them. Honorable E DEY Jimo, welcome to our studio.
Thank you now. Welcome, Honorable. Good morning. Yes.
Welcome.
Normally, we they get tradition. Any guest who bring for our show, we they normally give and that honorable. Yes.
Because our show now E DEY HOT.
Now E DEY HOT.
We go ask you hot question, but we go shake your hand. No be like say we dey quarrel.
No, brother. So the question they come from both ends. You understand? So, sir, you be former chairman, and I know say you don't gather enough experience, enough political experience in your past. So you feel at least share your past experience with us on political issues.
I want to kuna. As you see me so, nobody say I just go do politics for chop.
Okay.
I don't go work for bank before. I don't become chairman of the union for my bank all over the country before. From there, I don't come politics. I come be the chairman. I come be the House of Assembly member. Now I work in Lagos State. As you see me, so I be somebody who get the job where they do before I join politics.
So no be say that you dey okay.
I no be that person we want chop.
Already don't chop food first, but still make I serve my people. Make I go represent my people. That's why I say.
As you know me, for my area, for Yaba, I don't become community leader before. I be secretary for my community.
I want to say you be grassroots politician.
Me, as if you talk anything about politics, about people, about service, I did there.
So you know be some kind of people when they say they go jump from one political party.
I get out for brain. I get out for I thank God. Now God give me.
It's not go easy to work for bank, come become union leader. Yeah. But what I want to ask you now is, you know, you don't also be grassroots. You don't also say you now the people when you want to serve, now they drive you. So, but I want also believe say you know be some of those people when they say they go date this party. When it come be like say this thing, they go come
switch over,
come switch, come change.
Again.
I don't tell you now here. Say me, I know be chop politician. I be politician where believe in God.
Okay.
And I dey work well with my people. And I dey carry my people along with anything where I want to do. No be say I go just sit there and say, this way. No, I know they command people.
No be Godfather.
I just sit down with people, we go talk. You go talk your own, I go talk my own, we go resolve. Say, now this thing we want.
Confirm.
I go ahead, we go do it. So how can I be somebody who go there somewhere now? And tomorrow I will say, I know they that place again, now here. If my people, where we day party together, say, we want change party, we go together. No be say me, I go just, no, they come out one after the other.
But you get some umbrella this way, being yours, like the umbrella,
The umbrella, the spring. No, the spring of the umbrella, not to hold them again. So that is why, don't they pray? That is why, no.
You sure many people enter
no, put that like that. No, Chuku did not put that like that. People will enter broom. enter broom because they see something where they new for the broom and they won't follow that trend of the broom because they won't change.
If
that's why
waiting
they
there
enter
inside,
the
no
broom.
come be waiting there the packet.
No talk so.
The
shell and the content may be the same thing.
Make I tell you, there's no profession for this life, for this world, where you know get people where they conny. Even journalists.
We know them.
You go see journalists, we go come up from Studio A and go Studio B.
We know them. We know them.
Banker, we go leave bank A and go to bank
the
B.
other bank.
So, as you see politics, if you dey for one party today, I still say that party no do you good again.
Do you good? That's personally.
But then somebody get...
No talk greater honorable man.
So if you still go for one party and you still say that party no do good again, or do you good again.
Do you good?
Either do you good or do good.
Or do your bank account good.
No, put like that.
No party go give you money for your bank.
Thank you.
Okay, then they give am inside Ghana.
No bank, no party go give money. Which party get money we go give people?
Your Ghana
Now the people where they government they chop money they give. No be back, no be party.
Somehow. These people they become part of government.
No be party. I want make you get me where.
Yes, make him understand.
The thing where they talk, we say political party where they give money, no be that party they give money. Now government, those people where they save money for government, they give money for that party.
But if people
if they give people money for that party, and you no give them again, some of them go tell you say, as this one don't do also, we no go do them again.
But now don't get those kind of people for
our own party. Say we even get, we not even there for government now. When we talk of government, we talk of central government, we get treasury, we believe in dollars, we believe in pound sterling. We don't know what then they do again. As they don't know what then they do again, people want to talk, say, time don't come, make we change them. Now, so we don't want change. Now, everybody now changing now with day. As we day change now, we want change for better.
No, Honorable, I can ask you this question now. Because this matter concern you now, because you now person when we say your people don't talk, say, okay, go, we they give you support. And we know say March 28, April 11, it go happen. Now, this, somehow, some people, they come and they talk, say, Professor Atahiru Jega say he go terminal leave, he no go. If he go, Allah go happen. Why he be say some other president don't talk and say he no go commot the man. He talk and we hear and he talk for interview. But some people see they come and they talk and these people when they talk and you sure say
no be your president talk and say he no one remove am.
He talk for media chat.
Now our book where we dey call constitutions no give Oga that chance make it come out.
But why some people they come they talk say Oga won't come out.
You see, as you get you know for politics, as we get cool-headed people.
Now we also get people with their head hot.
So people when they hot, they
on side.
As we get people we get cool-headed people, now we get people with their head they hot.
For that,
so I won't tell you. Element of truth.
Wait, APC they talk now say, then don't they hear say they won't do this thing. PDP won't do this one.
Where did they hear them from?
Why didn't they hear them from? There is an element of truth in everything.
Make I tell you. Now people talk say that the proverb say there's no smoke
without fire.
There's no fire
without smoke.
Without smoke.
Hey, but it depends on the kind of smoke.
If smoke day, and people come spread that smoke, they go talk. Hey, one smoke day there before go catch fire. We know what made this thing catch fire. That's why we dey talk am. Anybody where they behind say make them come out jega, that person has somebody where no get sense.
Now so they also talk say during that election shift, we don't hear them as smoke. We don't come out as smoke until eventually come out as fire. That's how they spread that. Element of truth is in everything. So I won't be surprised.
Make we check.
That's why we no one give
this
support
smoke and fire when we talk about now, about say the shift election.
Yeah.
But remember, say, as at February 7th, before they come decide, okay, more shift time, less than 40% of people now you don't collect PVC for Lagos. No. Meanwhile, for some other place, they don't reach like 80%. Even our governor when declare public holiday, he never even collect your own.
No, as at then, was not collect that even before they extend that.
Make I tell you this one. As we don't vote for Nigeria, we don't record up to 40% votes for Nigeria.
No.
Have they come? Answer. We never record that. If we never record that, why now you want to record that? Make I tell you this thing. In 2011, our president, they work about. He could test people. One man, one vote. One woman, one vote.
But we see him for Edo, we see him for Ondo,
I'm coming.
we see him for Anambra.
Why is it that the president said no talk him again now?
Somehow, I like the monkey and all this.
The card reader, because the card reader don't come to expose the thing where they want to do.
But therefore, don't use this card reader before. Experiment.
No, make I tell you this one. Make I tell you this one. As the guy na person, if you know him well, when he be chairman for ASU, it's a man that has, you don't get time for nonsense.
He dey neutral.
He's a man that is always focused.
But now Oga President appoint him.
So why is he having issues with him right now?
As Oga President come appoint him, when Oga President appoint him, you come dey talk say the man that he wan appoint to, everybody go praise him say
thank you very much.
This man na good. This man na good. He don't dey pitch in chest. As he come announce, everybody go say good. As they get that good, now so the institution go good. When the guy don't come now, you can't do things good. We go give credibility for this election where we want to do. Why some people could just they talk? Remove him. The guy go. Most of this is where they talk him. Now PDP people.
No, somehow.
Fire say talk him.
Chukudi.
Obani Koro talk him.
Femi said it.
Why they talk him like that?
The point is,
if they never hear from somewhere and said they want to come out, why go they talk him like that?
But if
as they talk him, now people don't see say something. It dey under net.
That's Kokoro
make we just expose that Kokoro. So by the time the Kokoro now opens, I know they there. It is that time we go know. Before we go know now, when it still remain that day, now we go know say na so true. But
honorable, but me we look at from all indication. Because you don't mention Kokoro, from all indication. Because we will not, maybe we feel not get the eye to see the Kokoro as Nigerians will be. But now when they the political matter, if you say Kokoro fit dey beneath, where they chop the effort, where they stay up this reaction and counter reaction.
No, say if devil won't work, he get way we go work out.
Tell him, Nkubi, you
don't know. No, he's telling us.
If devil won't work, he go know the way he go do him now. Wait till they talk. You be small boy.
No, I know.
You be small boy.
No.
Hey, you know people now. If they want work, they know. All this kind of mago when they do. Now so they start up. As they open this one, they go. They don't catch us. They go drop am. As they open this one, they don't catch us. They don't. Now all this kind of thing. Now so thief they do now. If thief want thief now. You go plan where say you want it. As you know, say you don't get in touch.
People don't open eyes now.
Yes.
People don't
our eyes don't shy.
Our
ear now so you don't pull like this. Our head correct where. Make anybody no come play with Nigerians.
The way we say some people they say na thief they catch thief. But it can't be like
but you could.
The way as they do like
all that way you they talk. All that way they no correct.
If thief they catch thief.
As you they talk, I'm not saying that thief they catch.
No, I just they talk.
I they call. If thief want thief something now and police go carry go arrest them. So that police will go arrest an thief.
No, police they use intelligence.
But the person wey get this brain, where is they? Now them go they use their hair and the ear to know say something won't happen. Everybody make you dey alert to shine your eye.
Honorable.
If una people know sabi how to do am, how they go take know people when they do am?
You don't talk am now. It's because our people get brain where.
Bad brain.
No be bad brain. That's nothing like bad brain.
Agbari.
As you know, if you get correct agbari where you feel use am well, it go work for you. Our people, before today now, and they watch president today on one of the television stations. They can't ask him that in 2011, it wasn't tough like this. Why is it that the president now admitted? He said, yes.
Because he allowed for freedom now.
This thing can become tough because...
Now he allow him.
Because you don't have stronger...
Anything to offer.
He said, the opponent now gets stronger political party and they get stronger candidates.
But
you can't talk, say, as in day now, You know, it no day easy. I seen day easy like 2011.
Because Nigerians don't they politically conscious.
Make I tell you, the president
promise say you go do, you know do am, and that is why the reaction don't they overwhelming now.
Correct, you are correct.
It's not correct.
He don't they talk correct now.
That is what it is.
Make I tell you, as this man day now, if you come in house now, then go tell him saying you no get light. I be
telling you, say I don't get for the past 2 weeks. I don't get light.
Honorable, this man live for Agole, where they tap light.
As we dey here now, generator una dey use.
No, honorable, somehow.
Except if you want tell me say na only una dey enjoy here and other people no enjoy.
Honorable, somehow.
So make it just go. As this thing dey dey now, everybody don wake up waka, come dey ready say come o. This time we want change thing wey no good.
Honorable, this transformation we dey see now. You know, say 1969 Nigeria gain independence.
Okay.
You know, Oga Presido, now not be magician, a woman being.
Okay.
Transformation in just 4 years, and once he make everything change.
Transformation.
What are these transformations?
Where that one?
Thank you very much.
Tell me where.
Honorable, I like as you ask me this question now. Now, we could see. Alimajiri schools 125.
Structural development or internal development.
Thank you very much. Shopee programs. When we say agriculture, $2 billion US. Now they save from the syndicate.
How has this affected the life of Nigerians?
I'm coming.
We are seeing it small.
Make I tell you this one.
Honorable, dear.
They come. All this Alimajiri way you don't talk. Me, as I dey here, I just count that one to be insult. Why I come take out to be insult?
But education is important.
I'm coming. As the president don't do that one. That's why we don't they see the numerous number of Boko Haram they come up again. Criminality don't they boku again.
They no one go school.
Because people know benefit. If you know benefit where you go to do any other thing we go scatter everywhere.
But when are your fire shake come with stomach infrastructure?
They can't talk say an hungry person be waiting.
Now angry person.
That's the thing we have. As you do now, if anybody come stay with you now and you give one job, make it they do. And they do job well. That job they fetch out money and they chop plenty food for his stomach. If they give to other people, you know go fight.
Okay, you know what, Honorable.
But if you don't provide anything for such a person, you go fight.
Honorable,
as you want people to fight, now you go cause problem.
No, you know what?
Honorable, no.
I want me to just tell you, tell your people.
Yeah.
You understand? Say, okay, for come March 28th now.
And
if
April 11.
See the opportunity when we say me, I the carry give now. Tell them, make them hear.
Like I tell you.
Everybody they watch you.
I no be person. We could just come somewhere.
Call the promise.
And say, now that's what I go do. Me, I no be that kind of politician.
Your action they speak for you.
I be politician where people don't know for long. I be president where I know say I don't want to do something. I no go tell you.
That you are a man of integrity.
Make I tell you.
Man of your word.
The position where I did before now, people know say so thing I don't do. E dey for record in Nigeria today say among all the local government wey dey Nigeria, no one get any fire station. Now me have my home, we come put people there, you come they pay them money and they service them.
Honorable, you try.
And that one we get old people where we they give 10,000 naira as welfare package every month and still dey there today. As I promised people at that time, if I promised them and I've not done it, I go come here and no go talk. But if as I go now, the position where I dey come contest for, no be position of executive. Now the position of the brain, where go they make law for people, good law for people. In time of legislation, in time of oversight function, in time of robust debates.
Honorable, you don't finish work. But you know say you join us late somehow. But if you get time again, somehow we'll carry you come. But the time when you answer our question today,
anytime where you want make I come, I go come.
Our people when they for us, we always talk and say Nigeria and our country, no be anybody personal estate. Remember, say March 28th and April 11th, are very important dates for the history of this country. Come out, exercise your civic responsibility, vote, but no fight with anybody. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. This now as E Dey Hot, and we tell you now bye-bye. Honorable Jide Jimo, thank you for coming on top of us.
Bye-bye, viewers.
Thank you.
Make we shake your hand now.
Once again.